Alright guys, let's try this again. I'm gonna try and fly this drone. Hopefully I got it all set up online. I probably should have tested it at home, but hey, it's so close just to run out here and try it. So let's give it a shot. It is now the weekend after the last attempt, and it rained a lot. You know, the road's really rough now. It kind of got washed out in a lot of areas. Kind of surprising, but yeah, it's kind of a nice little drive out here. I'm actually in the shooting spot that I kind of took you to in the last video. So it's a little messy out here, a lot of trash and different things. Got the wrecked car right here. Something smells. It died over there, I think. I don't see any bodies, so that's good. I should have taken the camera. I kind of hiked up around the hills there and stuff a little bit, but kind of forgot to grab the camera. I didn't think I was going to walk out that far. But anyways, let's try this drone out. That's weird. That is so weird. It's just floating there. Oh, the controller actually is sensing me. I'm in the obstacle avoidance. Oh, you can see me on the camera there and everything. That's a trip. That thing is so steady too. Look how steady it is. Wow, that's kind of amazing. Let's try flying it around a little bit. It's such a trip flying that thing. It is really weird. It's pretty cool though. I'm gonna play with this a little bit.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell
It's battery's running bad, running down, running low. So it's returning to home on its own right now. I don't know if you can see it yet. It's directly over us. We're gonna see if it, oh, it's gonna land right on top of us. Here she comes. I don't know if you can see it, I can. It's coming. There it is. That thing is so crazy. So it should land on its own here. Beeping is this thing. Whoa! Alright, so I changed the battery. These batteries are kind of low right now. I charged them a long time ago and they've been sitting around, so they're only about half charged, I guess. So we'll burn these down and kind of play with it and practice and just see what we can do. There's a lot of settings that you can play with on this thing, so I'm gonna have a lot to learn. I guess just flying it around is kind of the first thing. It's so weird. Alright, first test flight was a success. Thank God. It was pretty fun flying this thing around. One thing I couldn't figure out is how to do like different modes, like follow mode, so it can follow me doing things. So I gotta go back and read instructions and tutorials and different things like that and just kind of learn how to use it more. I just need to get more comfortable with it because it has a lot of controls. You know, you got straight up, down, it goes side to side, and then you got, you know, rotate, and forward and back. So, I mean, you got all that. Plus you got two scroll wheels on the back. One is actually zooming the camera in and out, and then the other scroll wheel is actually angles the camera from like which direction you want it to point, whether it's just level or you want it to point down. So yeah, it's kind of trippy. You really got to get used to it. It's kind of like playing a video game though, so if you grew up playing video games, it's not that bad. But yeah, you just got to get used to it. You can see I was hitting the wrong lever direction all the time. You know, I was like trying to go forward, but I would go up instead. So you just got to get used to it. Pretty fun though, I like it. So after this weekend, tomorrow, I'm actually driving up to Washington. So I'm gonna take this with. I'm gonna get all the batteries fully charged because I pretty much ran through 3 half-charged batteries pretty quick, not too bad. I'm gonna get these things all charged up and then I'll take it up to Washington, do a little flying around up there. It'll be completely different because I'm going from the dry desert here to darn near rainforest up there. So yeah, it'll be interesting. So we'll go fly around Mom's garden and different things like that. So real soon, you'll see me up there.